Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix apps not downloading on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you are facing issues with apps not downloading on your iPhone 15 devices, you can try several troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. First of all, you have to do is simply check internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone 15 has a stable internet connection. You can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or you use cellular data. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. Restarting your iPhone 15 can help refresh its settings and resolve temporary issues. Turn it off by going to your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After this, then you have to do is check iPhone storage. Insufficient storage space on your iPhone 15 can prevent app from downloading. You have to go to your iPhone storage to check the available space. If it's low, consider deleting unnecessary files or app. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. You have to go to your settings, go to Apple ID. You can see your option sign out. Simply tap on it, enter your passcode and turn it off and then sign in back. If this step doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.